Hey Transformers, welcome to your intermittent fasting meal plan. So this is going to be really helpful for you to lose weight. All right, so the meal plan over here, one serving of vegetables is going to be a fist. You can have anything here. One serving of protein, palm size, you can have anything here. One serving of carbs, a scoop, you can have anything here. And then fats, you can have anything here. Keep it to a thumb size. All right, now with intermittent fasting, you want to choose a eating window. So here are the two most popular eating windows. You're going to eat from 12 to 8, and then outside of 12 to 8, you're going to be fasting, which is going to help you decrease the insulin levels and then put your body more in a fat burning state to burn off some of that stubborn belly fat. The other common eating window is from 9 to 5. So you're going to eat the same amount of food, but now we're going to have specific time of when we're going to eat. For example, if you're following the 12 to 8 eating window, then 12 p.m. is going to be your traditional first meal. Your first meal, we're going to call it breakfast. Second meal at 4 p.m., we'll call that lunch. And then your last meal at 7:30. So we're just restricting when you're going to eat. If you're doing the 9 to 5, you're just going to push breakfast up a little bit, so it's a little bit later, 9 o'clock, and then push lunch from 12 to 1 p.m., and then dinner is going to be early at 4:30. And then exactly the same. Breakfast and lunch, exactly the same. One serving of vegetables, one serving of protein, one serving of carbs. Dinner, avoid the carbs at night. And then over here, if you want to create your own custom eating window for 8 hours, you can. And then for intermittent fasting, you want to be eating an eating window of 8 hours and your fasting window for 16 hours. All right. So good luck on your intermittent fasting.